The rise of smart home technology has changed the way we interact with our living spaces, and nowhere is this more evident than in lighting. From enhancing convenience to optimizing energy use, smart lighting has become a cornerstone of modern homes. But as you explore your options, the choice between smart bulbs and smart switches becomes a key consideration. Both promise to deliver advanced control and customization, but which one is more cost-effective for your needs? Today, we're diving into the details to help you make the right choice. At their core, both smart bulbs and smart switches aim to give you better control over your home lighting. Smart bulbs are standalone devices with built-in connectivity, allowing you to control brightness, colors, and schedules from your smartphone or voice assistant. They're incredibly easy to install. Just screw one into a light fixture, pair it with an app, and you're ready to go. Smart switches, on the other hand, replace your traditional wall switches. Once installed, they can control all the lights connected to their circuit, providing centralized control without replacing individual bulbs. Like smart bulbs, they pair with apps and voice assistants for remote control. However, installing them involves electrical work, which might mean hiring a professional if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Smart bulbs are an affordable way to get started with smart lighting, especially if you're upgrading 1 or 2 fixtures. However, costs can add up quickly if you're outfitting multiple fixtures, as each one requires its own smart bulb. While these bulbs are energy-efficient LEDs designed to last for years, they will eventually burn out, and the entire unit must be replaced, including the smart technology inside. Smart switches, by contrast, come with a higher initial cost. Since one switch can control multiple light fixtures, they're a more scalable solution for larger homes or spaces. Once installed, you can use standard LED bulbs, which are cheaper to replace than smart bulbs. This makes smart switches more economical in the long run for multi-light setups, even if the upfront investment is higher. One of the main appeals of smart bulbs is how simple they are to install. There's no wiring involved. Just screw the bulb in, download the app, and follow the pairing instructions. This makes them ideal for renters or anyone who wants to avoid invasive modifications to their home. However, their reliance on the wall switch being in the on position can be a drawback. If someone accidentally flips the switch off, the bulb loses power and becomes unresponsive until it's turned back on. Smart switches, while requiring a bit more effort to install, offer a permanent solution. Once in place, they eliminate the issue of accidentally cutting power to your smart bulbs. However, the installation process can be tricky. Many switches require a neutral wire, which older homes might not have. In those cases, you'd need a compatible smart switch or an electrician's assistance to get everything up and running. If you're after maximum customization, smart bulbs are the clear winner. Many models allow you to adjust brightness, change color temperatures, and even create dynamic lighting effects with vibrant RGB colors. This makes them perfect for setting moods, decorating for holidays, or simply adding a personal touch to your space. Smart switches are more functional than flashy. They let you control lights remotely, schedule timers, and even dim the lights depending on the model. However, they don't offer advanced features like color changing. Instead, their strength lies in their ability to control multiple lights simultaneously. making them a practical choice for shared spaces like living rooms or kitchens. Both options can improve energy efficiency, but in different ways. Smart bulbs are designed to consume less energy than traditional bulbs, and their ability to dim or turn off automatically can help reduce waste. However, each smart bulb draws a small amount of standby power to stay connected to your app or voice assistant, which adds up if you have many of them in your home. Smart switches offer a more centralized approach to energy management. By controlling multiple lights from a single switch, you can monitor and adjust power usage across an entire room or circuit. This is especially useful for larger spaces with multiple fixtures, as you don't need to manage each light individually. Plus, since they work with standard LED bulbs, replacements are more affordable and readily available. The choice between smart bulbs and smart switches ultimately depends on your home, your budget, and your priorities. If you're renting, want vibrant lighting options, or need an easy setup, smart bulbs are a great solution. Their ability to change colors and brightness levels makes them ideal for enhancing ambience or adding a decorative touch. On the other hand, smart switches are better suited for homeowners looking for a permanent, cost-effective solution. They're perfect for rooms with multiple fixtures or areas where practicality takes precedence over personalization. While they lack the flair of smart bulbs, their reliability and scalability make them a solid investment for long-term use. When it comes to cost-effectiveness, smart switches often come out on top for larger homes or spaces with multiple fixtures, thanks to their scalability and compatibility with regular bulbs. Smart bulbs, while pricier in the long run, excel in flexibility and customization, making them a standout choice for creative lighting projects. The best solution might just be a mix of both. Use smart switches for shared spaces where practicality is needed, and reserve smart bulbs for decorative fixtures or areas where ambience matters most. With this approach, you can enjoy the best of both worlds while creating a smart lighting setup that suits your lifestyle and budget. Which option do you think would work best for your setup?